What's up, YouTube? Captain Coby coming back at you with a fantastic video today. I got a very special guest all the way from Indianapolis, Indiana. I know a little bit about Indiana. My daughter played a little ball up that way.
Ball State, that's
Ball
right.
State, that's right.
Yep,
I've been up there a million times. It takes forever to get up there if you're driving.
My dad was a Ball State graduate.
Really?
He sure was.
Yep. They see that? Hey, we're bringing a little bit of Louisiana culture all the way to Ball State.
That's it.
I mean, in Muncie, Indiana.
That's it, right?
Well, today we got a fantastic show lined up for you. We want to make a little shrimp Creole with a little fried fish. Andrew, I didn't even announce you. Andrew Hedger. He's a foodie too. We've been in contact probably the last couple of years, trading recipes and just talking food. And he came down, and I don't know how much he knows about the Cajun cooking way, but I figured he could at least fry some fish.
I learned quite a bit watching this Captain Coby Cajun cooking on YouTube.
Hey,
you know,
that's right. Nothing wrong
it's like
with
a tutorial.
That's it. That was kind of the idea, right?
That's it.
So anyway, we're gonna do a little shrimp Creole, a little fried fish, and we hope y'all enjoy it. Stay tuned. We're gonna let you know everything you need to make shrimp Creole and fried fish.
Sounds great.
All right, everybody, listen. To make a shrimp Creole, you need some very basic ingredients, right? It's a butter-based dish, so of course you got to start with butter. You need at least 3 onions, a bell pepper, of course shrimp. You can't have shrimp Creole without shrimp, right? Tomato sauce, and to thicken everything up and to give it that creamy base, I like cream of shrimp. That's what makes the magic happen for me. All right, and we also use a little mustard. Everybody knows Captain Coby likes his mustard. I put my mustard on my shrimp, and of course the magic thing we need, Captain Coby's Cajun seasoning.
You know it.
That's right, everybody. Captain Coby Cajun seasoning, what makes the magic happen. All right, Andrew, tell everybody what we're gonna need to make a good old Louisiana fish fry.
Well, first and foremost, we got our fish fillets ready to go. Nothing but all natural lard.
That's
right.
right.
We'll do our frying in.
That makes the fish taste the best. That's why
Louisiana fish fry batter. Yeah, you got to have that lard. Yeah, it makes it pop. We're going to use some Cajun Zydeco mustard.
It's a secret ingredient. A lot of people don't use mustard. They do egg wash, and it's okay. I like the Louisiana fish fry. It has a little spicy to it. I like that one. We're going to dust it on the top once it's all said and done. That's the way we do ours. But we got a special technique on how we baste the fish before that goes down. I'd love to show you that.
Absolutely.
And we're going to make things happen. So stay tuned.
We're putting the lard in now. Let it start preheating. Natural lard's where it's at. None of these hydrogenated seed oils with Captain Coby seed.
Not in my place, baby. All right, everybody, we're going to get started on this shrimp Creole. Like I said, it is a butter base. So just a simple rule of thumb. If you have a pound of shrimp, use a stick of butter. If it's 2 pounds of shrimp, 2 sticks of butter. We have about a little over 2 pounds of shrimp. We're just going to go with 2 sticks right here. Right? Get that melted down. And then once this thing melts down right here, we're going to throw these onions, these bell peppers, and get this ready. All right, now that we got our butter melting up, getting ready to roll with that, Andrew, I'm gonna get you to help season this shrimp up right here. And then we got our trusty gloves that, hey, we can do CPR or we can season our food with it. That's it's a double action that we have for those things right here. All right, brother, come on this side. Let's get moving. All right, Jenny, come on in.
Nice little glue, little binder.
Yeah, like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's light.
All right, and we're gonna dust it up right quick like. And if everybody knows, Captain Coby do like to come with the seasoning a little bit. Right? All right, and while Andrew is messing with that, I hear our butter sizzling. And get moving with that.
Hey, Captain Coby, I just wanted to say thank you for having us on your video. I mean, we were just coming
Hey.
down here, my buddy Scott and I, for vacation, taking some of this Cajun culture and this delicious food. I've been watching you for a few years now, and
My pleasure. What kind of ambassador would be the case?
I didn't know we'd have a food paw with the mustard so soon in the video.
That's always the case. I'm a.
So I got something going to help you out with that.
All right.
I brought you some Indianapolis Fire Local 416 Union shirts.
Oh, well, perfect. Then I won't look so sloppy on camera
Yeah.
now, all right? I'm going to have to put that on. All right.
Kind of help your wardrobe malfunction there.
All right.
And then this is the Indianapolis Fire Department uniform that we wear. It's a t-shirt, our on-duty uniform. So
All right.
I'm gonna let you take that home with you.
Man, I appreciate that. In fact, look, I'm a rep the local, y'all local.
Yeah.
I do go cook every year at the All in Firefighter Memorial.
You do,
in,
yes.
In
Colorado Springs.
Colorado Springs,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna rep the IAFF today. All right.
And for your hospitality, this is something I make. My guys at the firehouse, I love them.
Okay.
We eat a lot of this Andrew Hedger smoked pepper powder. It's just something, garden grown jalapenos and hot banana peppers. I smoke them for 12 hours, put them on the dehydrator until they're just dry as a popcorn, and grind them in a spice mill, and it's excellent.
So are you selling this?
No. That's a love offering.
Trying to
brother.
get you some business.
No, that's a love offering, man. I don't.
Hey man, hey, honestly, I
good.
appreciate
Yeah,
it. Thanks
you're
for
welcome.
everything, man.
Yeah,
And thanks for
absolutely.
coming down, man.
Absolutely.
Honestly, we us Cajuns and Creoles down here in South Louisiana. Listen, we love for people to come and try our food. We proud of the way we cook, and we're proud of the way we, do things around here. And thank y'all for coming and trying. You could probably go two houses down the road, knock on the door, and say, "Look, I'm from Indiana and I'm hungry," and they'll feed you like you wanted their
I
son.
believe
So,
that.
yeah,
Super
man.
friendly folks, man.
Yeah, no doubt.
Your
Appreciate
hospitality sets the bar. It's awesome.
All right. Well, let's check on our stuff
Let's
and make
do
sure
it.
we're ready to roll.
All right, I'm ready. Can't wait.
I like it.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Come on, get a shot in here.
Oh yeah.
So I like for my onions to brown down. What you start to see is just a little bit of that browning in there, and if you get it in good, you don't want it to be burnt, but you want it to start just browning those edges a little bit. You know that they have started to caramelize in that butter base, and you get to putting your stuff in there. That's kind of what you're looking for. So you want to do the duties right here.
Sure.
Right. So we're gonna put 2 cans of the cream of shrimp.
This is something else I don't think I can get in Indiana.
Cream of shrimp?
Yep.
Really?
I'll be taking a case of this home.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I've
I
not
put that in
seen
my
it.
crawfish etouffee too, man. That's kind of my secret ingredient.
Oh
and
man.
people don't
Yeah.
really know
See
that.
why? Can too.
And 2. We're gonna start with 1 can of tomato sauce. I don't like to overpower it too much with it. I do like it to cook together. Right. And this is how we kind of
Great idea.
get the rest of that out of there, because we want to add a little bit of water anyway. Old school, old timey way.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I was a big shot when my mom cooked. That's what I had to do. You
Yeah.
Get stuff out of there. All right. Give this up a stir. It's not the prettiest right now, but after a while, gorgeous. All right. Right, Andrew, we're gonna get this gotta cook for, I would say a minimum of 30 minutes. You want all those flavors to kind of come together. What we're gonna do, in about 30 minutes, we'll taste it. Sometimes I let it go maybe an extra 10, 15 minutes to see where we at, just to get that, what we want. And if we do have to add a little bit more tomato sauce, depending on the type of flavor that I'm trying to get at that time. So we'll let this cook down. And then we'll get that fish going.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, brother. Let's make this happen. All right, now that we got our sauce cooking down, like I said, we're gonna let that go for at least 30 minutes. Probably been on there for about a good 5-10 minutes already. And now we want to get this fish fried up. And I'll show you the technique that we use down here. A lot of people, like I said, use the egg wash. We do it a little bit differently. So go ahead and get me a slab on there. You can do two, face them kind of long ways.
Okay.
There you go. I like it. All right. And we like mustard. Now this mustard right here, I really like. It's a Zydeco mustard, Rick Zydeco mustard. Talked to Mr. Rick the other day, and he has a fantastic product. And we just want to make this even. If you keep it too clumpy, your batter won't stick on there, right? So this is pretty much our binder.
Okay.
As we're going through that.
Boy, it looks nice.
Don't it look nice?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's go ahead and get that in here. Why don't you flip that on the other side and I'll dab it.
Mustard
Just a
on
little
both
bit.
sides?
Yes, sir. Don't have to have that much on the bottom. All right, let's flip it again.
Mm-hmm.
Make our top side pretty in case we miss half almost. We have a little bit left and then not too bad. We'll just dust it. All right. All right. And let's go ahead and bring this in our fish fry.
We're just gonna batter in here. Or we're gonna
Whatever
use...
you want, or we have the old easy technique.
They work.
We keep it simple. Yeah. And I'll do it for you since your hands are a little dirty.
Professional technique you have.
Right?
there.
Is that it? Is that
Yes.
what it is?
Oh yeah.
It's that firefighter
There's
technique.
no way I would have done this.
You know why it's a firefighter technique? Because we got stuff all over the place, right? We're not that special. Man.
Oh
Right.
wow.
Look at that.
It's a thing of beauty.
Right on it. Got our plate.
Mm-hmm.
All right, everybody. We've been about 35 minutes to be exact with our sauce right here. I did not taste it, but I'm gonna put my seasoned shrimp in here, and then once that cooks down, then we're gonna taste it. That way we're not exactly what we want, and then add some more seasoning and have it a little bit throughout than we want. So go ahead and help me out with that.
Okay.
Good. All right, and what's going to happen here, we don't want to add too much water just yet because that shrimp's going to water out a little bit and kind of loosen everything up that's in here once it gets cooking good.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to let that go. We're going to put this on a low heat. Let this go in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on how our shrimp looks. Let's see where we at. All right, so if you paid attention earlier when we seasoned that fish up, that Zydeco mustard does have some good seasoning to it, but it doesn't have that good kick that we like at the end. And I found the best way to keep your seasoning on your fish is once it comes out and it's hot like this, you're gonna just hit it right on top. All right? And guess what? All your seasoning, all your flavoring, right there on top, give you the perfect kick that you're looking for. Hope you're ready. All right, everybody. Listen, it's tough cooking out there in that apparatus room, and it's not even summertime yet, but if you know anything about South Louisiana, it's hot. We were sweating our behind off out there. I appreciate y'all coming and sweat with me, right?
Yeah.
Look, I'm excited to taste this. This is absolutely phenomenal, if I have to say. I already taste tested it. It's fantastic. We want to thank Andrew for helping us out. We even got Scott, the machinist, here to eat with us today, straight out of Indiana. And we got newly made Captain Morel Broussard right there. Mo, atta baby. Get a little thing right there. All right, guys, let's dig in. Let's taste it. See what we think.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Real good?
Not just good, Cap.
Oh,
It's phenomenal.
that's what I'm talking about. Listen, even in Indiana, that they know that this food is absolutely phenomenal. All right. Hey, listen, this is a great recipe. Try the mustard trick on your fish if you like that. I think it just brings it that extra kick, that extra flavor to it. Shrimp Creole is pretty simple to make. This is a great meal. And hey, try it, like it, and as we always say, keep cooking and we'll.
See you in the kitchen.
That's what I'm talking about, big dog. Good job.